The 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, running boards, power passenger seat, HomeLink garage door opener, front air conditioning, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.